Hello students, welcome to SPL study. Today's topic will be how you can write a Java program that is printing the number 1 to 5 using for loop, while loop and do while loop. So the same program can be run in three ways. So first of all, let's study the for loop. So for this class, just you can name the class for, then void main, and then int I. Int I, it is an integer type variable. I initializing I as 1. Okay, initializing I as 1, and then we have to check the condition that I, whether I, that is 1, I 1 to 5 means 1 checks with 5, 1 is checks with 5. Okay, so condition matches. If condition matches, then it comes down within the for loop and then prints and see what is there. That is, here you can see that there is a printing statement, system.out.println I is 1, hence prints 1. And after this printing, it will go, means the for loop is ending, and so before the ending it will go to the incrementation part. Once I is increased by 1, that is 1 becomes 2. I was initially 1 and now it is 2. So now after incrementation it goes to the condition checks part. Then 2 less than equals to 5, yes, condition checks matches, comes down, prints I. What's the value of I? It's 2. Fine. And then again it goes and increases by 1, that is now the value of I is 3. Once the value of I is 3, 3 checks with 5, yes, 3 is less than equals to 5, done, and hence comes down, prints 3. Like this, 3, 4 and 5. And once 5 is printed, suppose I's value is now 5. Okay, so what will happen now? That it will increase, 5 increases to 6, 5 increases to 6, condition checking done here, that 6, whether 6 is less than equals to 5 or not. No, here condition doesn't matches, condition fails to match, hence the loop ends. And now ending of loop, and now you can see the main ending and then the class ending. Done. This is the pattern of doing program for loop. The same pattern, we can follow the same output using while loop. So if we use while loop, then what will happen? So class while, void main, int I equals to 1, find I equals to 1, and now I, while I less than equals to 5, I checks with 5, 1 less than equals to 5. Okay, I checks with 5 and then comes down, you can see a printing statement I is 1 gets printed, and now I is increased by 1, I plus means I equals to I plus 1, then I increases to 1 means 2. After this, before the ending again it will go to the condition checking part. Then 2 less than equals to 5, yes, condition matches, comes down, prints 2. Then again I increases to 3. Like this, 3 prints, like this it will print 3, 4, 5, and then once 5 is printed, when 5 gets increased by 1, that is 6 less than equals to 5, after increasing 5 to 6, then it will again check the condition. Here the condition fails, hence the loop ends. and now we have the ending of the program. The same way you can go for a do while loop. So do while, class do while, void main, then int I equals to 1, again I is 1. Do means we have to do first what? Print ln this 1 is printed, and now 1 is increased by another 1, that is 2, I plus plus 2, fine, and then comes down and checks, oh, a condition, that is do while. Here you have to first check the condition and enter into the loop. Here you can enter into the loop, and then after that, after entering into the loop, you have to check the condition. Okay, so while 1, then here the checking is done, since you can see the I has already been increased by 1, that is I's value is now 2. So now while here the checking will be 2 less than equals to 5 or not. Okay, because 1 is not here now. Okay, now it has already been increased by 1, that is 2. 2 checks with 5. Okay, condition matches. Then what will happen? It will go to the just after the starting of this loop. Okay, what we see, that is printing statement, that is 2 prints, and now 2 is increased by 1, that is 3. 3 less than equals to 5. Okay, condition matches. Again 3 gets printed. Like this way 4 and 5. Once 5 is printed, increases, 5 increased by 1, 6, and now value of I is 6. Value of I is now 6. 6 checks with 5. Condition doesn't matches here, hence loop ends. Loop ends, and we have the ending of the program. So this is all the 3 simple loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, and a simple output that we have to print, that is from 1 to 5. Since we have put here the println, hence pattern of printing is in the vertical direction. Okay, if we haven't used this ln, then the printing would have been 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, hence we are done here, and I think and I hope that you all understand. And if there is any problem, comment me, and the next topic will be coming soon, and wait for that. And take care, share the video among your friends, and bye.